So TikTok is good for at least one thing I found. There's a recipe for someone who's a little bigger in the middle like me, who enjoys good breakfast food. The person, I don't remember his name, and I wish I should. Maybe we can put it in there if you want to look him up. He's on TikTok if you want to learn how to do other stuff. I've only seen his one video, and I've liked him, I follow him, and he's not coming up on my For You page. Anyway, doesn't matter. Biscuits and gravy. What we found was if you freeze sausage gravy and then put it in the biscuit when you bake it. So we've got sausage gravy frozen already. Oop, the lid's coming off. Looks appetizing, I know. I should have broken these out. Ooh, I've never thought about getting them out. And we've got our grands, because bigger is always better. There's no easy way to get these out. Butter knife and a lot of elbow grease. They do slide out once you get them out. Just take some time. Alright, so you gotta take and I said press these out. I don't know if I have enough room. And then just kind of stretch the biscuits over top of the sausage gravy. I have a pre-greased casserole dish here.
I gotta see this. So the ice cube sausage gravy, ice cube is inside
Yes.
the biscuit roll. Okay.
And he did say to cook these for 2 minutes longer than you normally would because you've got extra stuff going on, is his quote. Try to cover up all the holes so it doesn't goo out. The package says cook at 350 for 14 to 17 minutes. So I think if we kind of do it for that maximum amount of time there, it's going to give us, we'll keep an eye on it. When we're camping, we like to cook in the toaster oven outside as much as possible so you don't get the food smells inside your camper. Plus, it's taking advantage of the campground's free electricity that you're already paying for. So let me get these 8 things smashed out, and then you'll see me put them in the toaster oven in just a second. All right, 350. I'm setting the timer for 20 minutes, but we'll come out and check it a little bit earlier. Stay tuned. So after nearly 20 minutes, they've kind of opened, like if you ever see the movie Alien, where the eggs go, that's what they're doing. And you can kind of still see they're still frozen on the inside. They're not even golden brown quite yet, so I put on another 10 minutes and I cranked it up to 400 degrees. And we'll see what happens. All right, I've given another 10 minutes.
What are we up to now? 30, 40 minutes?
It was 20, 30, this will be 40, yeah.
Yeah.
So just shy of 40 minutes. I don't want to leave them in there any longer because the biscuits are going to be too crispy, I think. So, let's see. All right.
Oh, I can hear them sizzling.
Yeah, it was not exactly what I was expecting. Get a close-up on this. This is good stuff.
Oh, wow. Ooh.
But they look pretty darn good to me.
Oh, my goodness, that looks amazing.
Yeah, they all kind of broke open where I pinched them together at the top. But, I don't know, you really can't go wrong with biscuits and gravy. I was kind of hoping for a compact sandwich you could just bite into. Like a meat pie almost, but I guess we're just going to have to eat it with a fork. Oh well. Let me get one of these on a plate and a fork and a minute to have them cool off. Otherwise, I'm going to burn myself. And final review in just a second. All right. It's flaky for sure. I mean, it's been in there, 20 minutes at 350 and almost 20 minutes at 400. So it better be. Oh yeah. But I don't know if these are really cool. It's hot. It's just what you'd expect. It's biscuits and sausage gravy. Just kind of all in one thing. I don't know if I'd bother freezing it in the future. Just make biscuits and sausage gravy. But it was a neat idea. Turned out all right. Would I do it again? Probably not. But go check out that dude on TikTok. He might have some other great ideas. Thanks for watching, everybody.